Most of us don't quit good habits because we stopped caring, we just made them hard to keep up with. Not because we lack willpower, but because our surroundings quietly get in the way. You sit down to write, and suddenly you're rearranging your desk. You open your laptop to work, and 5 tabs start pulling your attention. You plan to read before bed, but your phone's already in your hand. It's not laziness, it's friction. Therefore, this lecture focuses on removing that friction and setting up your physical and digital space to support the version of you you're trying to grow into. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll know how to notice where your space is quietly working against you. Make small changes that reduce resistance. Set up tiny cues that gently nudge you toward better habits. Make your space a quiet partner in your personal growth. Your space shapes your actions. We like to believe we are in control, but our environment influences us constantly. Where we place things, how cluttered our surfaces are, what's visible when you walk in the room. It all sends quiet instructions to your brain. A messy desk doesn't just look chaotic. It feels like there's no room to think. A kitchen full of takeout boxes makes cooking feel harder, even if your fridge is full. A phone charger next to your bed turns bedtime into another scrolling session. You don't always notice these cues, but they shape your behavior every single day. Clear the path. Don't push harder. You don't always need to force motivation. Most of the time, you just need to make the next step a little easier. Think about it. What's something you always mean to do, but never quite get to? What makes it hard to get started? Now ask yourself what small change would make it easier. For example, want to work out in the morning? Leave your shoes where you'll see them first thing. Want to journal after work? Keep your notebook open and ready on the table. Want to cut down on screen time? Charge your phone across the room, not by your side. These aren't big fixes. They're small nudges that lower the effort to begin. And that's often all it takes to get moving. Reclaim your digital space. It's not just your room or your desk. Your digital life clutters your brain too. Tabs left open from yesterday. Notifications are lighting up every 3 minutes. Files named Final V7 are scattered across your desktop. This kind of digital noise makes it harder to focus and easier to spiral. Try this. Start each day by closing all tabs. Open just one that supports what you intend to do. Turn off non-urgent notifications for a full day. Just one day. See what happens. Clean your desktop. 5 minutes, no perfection, just less chaos. When you reduce the noise, you create more space for clarity. Set triggers that pull you forward. Let's flip the problem around. What if your space didn't just stop distractions, but pulled you toward better choices? You can do this with simple cues. Want to meditate? Leave your cushion out where you'll see it. Want to write more? Set your laptop to open to a blank document, not your inbox. Want to drink more water? Put the glass where you can't miss it. The goal is to make the habit visible. Make the next step feel automatic. It's not about willpower. It's about smart design.